In this video, I'm gonna blow your mind with the copy paste option in Excel. I have the month Jan to December. I would be copying certain month name and I would be pasting it over here in a certain order. Let's see how we can do that. Let's say I want to copy February and you could see a dotted line indicating that the cell has been copied. Let me type 1 to understand that this is the first copied cell, and if you see the paste option is gone. Let me copy May again. You will see the paste option coming in. However, let's say 2 here to indicate that's the second copied cell. Likewise, let's do it for other cells as well. 3, and for November, copy again 4 here. So now the first copied cell was Feb, second is May, third is August, and fourth is November. Now if I want to paste over here, there is no paste option. However, I can just paste all the cells that I copied either on the same order that it was copied, or I can paste it in a different order. Let's see how it can be done. On the clipboard, you see a small arrow here. Click on it and you will see all the items that were copied over here. I can choose paste all. That would paste all the cells that were copied in the same order, or I can just click on a cell. Probably I can choose November, then the next cell I can say May, the next cell could be August, and the last cell will be February. So I can paste them in any order that I want to. This clipboard is not just for Excel, this is for the entire PC or your laptop. Let me show you another example. Let's go to a sheet 2. I have 3 tables. One is for colors, the second one talks about fruits, the third one is the year. Before we do this, probably let's open a web page and try to copy an image. So let me copy this logo. I'm gonna right click and say copy image, and let's go back to the Excel. Let's copy this cell, copy, and you could see all the copied cells are getting added over here. So I can just copy it again, and I can also copy this. Now I can actually paste this image. Then I can paste probably the fruits, then the year, and then the colors. Also, I can paste the month which we copied in the previous tab or the previous sheet. So you could use this functionality to copy multiple datas and then paste it in multiple locations, or copy it from different places, you can paste it over here. I hope this was helpful to you.